Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa 1 in English. I am electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test this fan capacitor using a digital multimeter like this. This is very easy using this digital multimeter. The first step is take the fan capacitor and now discharge the capacitor with this in this way. Discharge the capacitor in this way. Now is safe touch with my finger these cables. The next step is turn on the digital multimeter. Okay, and now here choose 2000 ohms inside electric resistance. Ready. Now we need to connect the fan capacitor to the digital multimeter using this test probe. Connect the capacitor in this way to the digital multimeter, and now watch the digital multimeter screen. If we watch the number 1 in this position on the digital multimeter screen, this means this capacitor is good, because this number 1 on the digital multimeter screen means the capacitor hasn't continuity between this point and this point, and this means this capacitor is good, is working correctly. Because if the capacitor doesn't have continuity, the capacitor is good. In this case, this capacitor hasn't continuity. This means the capacitor is good. If you do this test and the result when you touch here and here on the digital multimeter screen is different of this number 1 in this position, I mean we watch other numbers in different position, in that case the capacitor is damaged. But in this case this capacitor is good, because now we aren't detecting continuity between this point and this point. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is your channel Sosanasa 1 in English. Share this video, give me a like, subscribe in our channel Sosanasa 1 in English here on YouTube. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.